the cat and dog politics in Meru. When you want to hunt, you look for a dog, get into the forest with it, you kill an animal together, but once the animal is killed, the dog will chase it away. And even after the meat has been served and eaten by others, the dog is chased away with the bones, and the soft meat is given to a cat, which has not been hunting. So the Meru people are asking for their right. We are tired of this politics. In the last regime, we are complaining about Mau Mau roads. Merus and Mau Maus, they never got any roads here. This time round, they were trying to correct that, but we find ourselves in the same ditch. That there's like our car is parked by the roadside, and then we see other cars just passing by the road. We have said time has come for Meru to walk in the middle of the road. You know, time has come for Meru to be in the map like other communities in the country. Time has come for us to chart our own destiny as a community. We are giving President Ruto some benefit of doubt. We want to look at this situation. We want to analyze the underlying causes. We want to see the threats through Christmas and New Year. Next year, we are going to have a mega meeting of all the Meru leaders, from the church, from politics, from farmers, from teachers, and we ask ourselves, what is the curse of Meru? And then we address that curse. And it's very simply to say, the final decision, the final political decision of Meru people will be made after all these holidays next year, and after we have seen how we are being treated by the High Court.